Let me show you how to make green beans with potatoes.
Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, and I'm glad you're here. My Carolina roots run deep from farm life to church suppers. I cook bold and simple, just like the Southern women before me. Now I'm sharing it from the beautiful South Carolina coast. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat.
You'll begin with 2 regular-sized cans of green beans. Make sure the liquid has been drained from these and add them to the pot, then cover them with water. You'll add a heaping teaspoon of sugar, a little black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. I'm using the powdered kind here. Now I'm going to come in with a little olive oil. If I had bacon drippings on hand, I would use that instead, but I don't, so it's going to be olive oil. You're going to bring this mixture to a boil on high. While they're boiling, wash and dice 3 to 4 small potatoes. Now, I'm going to be using gold potatoes here. They're typically very thin skinned, so I'm not going to peel them, but if I use a different kind, I'd probably peel them. Now you'll see some of the water has started to evaporate here, so I'll add the potatoes, give these a stir, turn the heat to medium, and cover. You're going to cook these until the potatoes are fork tender. Once they're tender, we'll remove the lid and continue the cooking process until most of the liquid has evaporated. Don't let them scorch, they'll stick to the bottom, but this is what the end product should look like. They are truly a Southern delicacy. Enjoy.